Welcome to this short tutorial of how to make a ThingLink. ThingLink is a website application that you upload images, 360 images, video, and you can annotate it to make it more interactive. In this tutorial, we're going to use later the iStreetView.com to download a little app to download 360 pictures from Google. When you go to ThingLink.com and create an account, this is what you're going to see. It's a dashboard with all the pictures that you upload. And what you have to do is go and click on Create to start a new process. You can upload images and annotate them. You can create 360 image or virtual tours, showrooms or galleries, maps, infographics, a lot of options you have. So going back, you have to click on Create. We're going to create an annotated image. See, you have tutorials here that you can use, but we're going to continue and just upload an image. Let me see which one. Let's see. This one is a really nice one. It uploads really fast, and after it uploads, you have to click on Continue on the bottom right side, and you will find your picture there. And you click here and edit. On the right hand side, you will find your picture that you want to annotate, and on the left hand side, all the things that you can add. So you add a tag and it's gonna put an icon in the middle of the picture. Let's add a text label. So you can change the icon if you want. Let's put a plus sign. And if you can see, it changed to a plus sign. And you can move it, drag it everywhere you want. And add text. So we're going to just write rock here. So whenever somebody puts the arrow on top of the icon, you will see the text. You can add tags that have text and media. So it shows a little window like that, white. You choose the icon that you want. I'm gonna use a camera. And here is gonna show everything you input. So the title is gonna be test. The description, blah, 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 blah. And then you can upload images or videos. You can put links to websites, whatever you want. Let's put an image. And this is the image I chose. You can upload audio, and you see the microphone to the right. You can record audio right away and go and click on done. And see, it shows the tag there. Really easy. So whenever people click on that one, it's gonna show the image I just showed you. So what are we gonna do next? You can annotate anything you want, just adding options with the adding tag option. And let's see, what else can we do? We're going to go back and see the difference between a 360 and a regular pictures. Those are the 360. I created a virtual tour starting in that one and link it to the other ones. So with the tags, you can also link scenes that you have already in your dashboard here. So the tags are kind of like the icon for the link. So what are we gonna do? You download Street View Download 360 for Windows or Mac in order to go to Google and download pictures. You have to drag the little man that you find in Google. Let's see, let me show you. It's down here. Let's go to Phoenix. And you get a 360 picture of Phoenix. You copy the URL take it to the app. And this is pretty simple. Just put in the URL there. You have to choose the location to save, and then you click on download. So for me, I put all my 360 images in just one place called 360. Really easy to find. And then you put the URL, copy paste it here, and then download. You have the instructions here. Find the street view in Google Maps, take the URL, and choose a location to save it and the resolution of the image. This won't take long. Downloading is pretty easy. You can download a single panorama or multiple panoramas. So you don't have to go like one by one. You just need the links to them. Let's go back to ThingLink, and they look like that. You see the picture of the rocks? That's a 2D picture, and the other one is a 360 picture. Pretty easy, right? And here in ThingLink, there's a 360 library with images from around the world. Maybe you will find really interesting pictures that you can annotate. So let's look at an example of a 360 image with just one annotation. So I just use the information icon, and when you click on it, it's gonna tell you the temperature of the place. So just a reminder again, you put a tag in the image or 360 image, and in that tag, you're gonna find options to add media, different types of media. You can add links, so different websites. You can link it to other scenes that you have in your dashboard. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have questions, please let me know.